Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofri. In today's video, I want to share with you the best cryptocurrency wallet for beginners. So if you have never had any interaction with cryptocurrencies, you have never bought or sell or do anything with cryptocurrency, this video is for you. I will give you a step-by-step which wallet you can start to use today and get familiar with the world of cryptocurrency. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Before I tell you which is the best cryptocurrency to use as a beginner, you need to understand what is cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is a device, a physical medium, a program, or a service that is used to store public or private keys and can be used to track ownership, buy or sell all cryptocurrencies. Remember guys, the cryptocurrency is not in the wallet. So guys, without further ado, I will share the screen record, and I want to introduce you to a wallet that is called Trust Wallet. If you have never heard about wallet, cryptocurrency, or anything, this is something that you can try it out. It's very easy to understand, and yeah, so I'm sharing my screen with you, and I want to show you what is Trust, how to go about it, how to download Trust Wallet, why is it good, and all those good stuff. So guys, you can see here I have just typed trustwallet.com. I will leave a link down in the description box, so if you want to go to this page, you just click the link and it will bring you to this page. So it says the most trusted and secure crypto wallet: buy, store, view prices, exchange and earn crypto. That's why 1 million plus people use a Trust Wallet. Remember, if you are choosing any wallet, any crypto wallet, you need to have a wallet that can do so many things. So this one, the wallet is you can download it from App Store, Google Play, Android. Yeah, so Trust Wallet is now official cryptocurrency wallet of Binance. What are the keys? First of all, it is secure, it is multi-currencies, decentralized exchange. Yeah, and you can be able to trade with it, to exchange with it. So that's the information about the Trust Wallet. So what you do, you need to come and download. If you're using Android, go to Google Play Store and you just click. So I have already installed Trust Wallet. As you can see, it is this one over here. The first thing you do when you open the Trust Wallet, it will ask you to write down 12 keywords that are so secure and safe for you, and you need to write them and don't share with them, because if you lose the 12 keywords, you lose your account with everything, with your wallet, with everything. So write down the 12 words, put them in a very good place. Then after you do that, it now opens the Trust Wallet. So I want to take you through how the Trust Wallet looks like. So guys, after now you have written down the 12 words, and you write the 12 words in a different place. Don't put it online, so that it can be secure and nobody can be able to hack your account using the words. And after you write the words, you'll come to this page. This is now your wallet. As you can see, this is my wallet. So I just want to take you through how the features in the Trust Wallet is very easy to understand. The first thing you see, it's your balance. So if you don't have any balance of Ethereum, at the top here it will write $0. So for example, I have some few dollars, so that's why it is 11. I don't have Bitcoin, that's why it is 0 BTC. But Binance is 0. And if you come on top here, there's a plus. You can see that plus. Here you can come and try to add other crypto or tokens or all these things. You can come here and try to add them. You see all this. Let's say, for example, I want to add Dash. Let's say we add Dash, and we add Bitcoin Cash, and we add which one else? There are so many, and we add nano. So what happens, you see it has added, so I can be able to see how much one Bitcoin Cash it's costing. Is it rising? You can able to monitor, you can able to know. So if you're interested in particular crypto, you can come and buy, and then you can align them on this page. So that's the purpose of this page. Then we can go to this, the down below here, it's the exchange. Maybe you want to exchange one crypto from one crypto to the other. So you just come here, you search do you want Ethereum to change from Ethereum to the other one. Then if I pick Ethereum, and then I'll get what do I want. Maybe I want which token do I want? Which one? Let's just pick Tether. So you can be able to see how much there at the balance. It is showing you how much you have. So this is basically what you do. Apart from that, that's what you need to understand. Let's go back, and maybe we want to send. If you want to send Bitcoins or any crypto in this wallet, maybe we want to send Ethereum, you just click on the Ethereum. There are three arrows, there are two arrows, and there is copy. So if I want to send to someone, I'll just press send. And then if I want to send, I want to send, I just put their recipient address. I have to paste their recipient address, and I have to paste the amount that I want to send to that particular person. If I want to receive either Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other crypto, I'll come here and say receive, and then I'll copy. This is now the address, guys. This is the address. You just say copy, and then you can share. There's this other button where it says shares, and it will give you more options where you want to share the address. Do you want to share with the person who is selling the crypto on WhatsApp? Where do you want to share? So that's the button. And then these are the transaction. Down here you can see the transaction you have made. So that's basically what it is. So let's go to settings. If you want dark mode, you can put a dark mode, and that's how it will look like, but I don't want a dark mode. So there's also this program where you invite a friend, you earn 100 TWT token. So it says invite a friend and get the TWT. So if you use my link, you'll get 100 TWT for free. So use the link and download this app, and immediately you'll get TWT token. It's a good way to get started. So there's security. You can come here and set a pin and maybe change address on all these things. And then now these are the information. You can go and check their YouTube channel. So basically that's how a trust wallet looks like. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy to maneuver. Don't feel like you to start with crypto is very hard. It's not hard. It's just mentality. If you have a bad mentality, or you think crypto world is very hard to grasp, or you think I cannot get it, how do people trade, how do people do that? The first step is to get the wallet. That's the first step. There's no way you can buy and sell any crypto without the wallet. So the first step is to get the wallet. So if you're watching me and you have been interested in the crypto world, the first thing you need to do is to download a trust wallet. Go follow the link down in the description box. It will take you to a page where you can download the trust wallet. To create account is very easy. Remember to write the 12 words, put it in a very good place, note down so that you may not, when you lose your phone or something happens, you can be able to recover your account. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative enough. Many people ask me, how do I buy crypto? What do I do? And I don't have a wallet. So I thought, let me first show you the wallet that I can recommend and the wallet that I use, so that you can make a good decision. So guys, that is it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. This channel is all about business growth, making money online, networking, and we post from Monday to Friday. There is a new upload every day. So without any words any more words, bye bye. Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Bye.